Good afternoon, students. So today in the online session we have revised the topic synonyms. So in the beginning also we have done the topic synonyms, but again today we are going to topic which is synonyms. Now what is meant by synonyms? Synonyms means the two words which are having same meaning. Synonyms means words which are having same meaning. Now what is the definition of synonym? What is synonym mean as? Two words that have the same meaning. Synonyms means the two words which are having the same meaning. Now see here, we can see 4 flowers over here, and in the 4 flowers there are words given there. Now these words are having different meanings. They all are different. Words are different but the meaning is same. वर्ड्स अलग अलग है बट उनका मीनिंग, उनका मतलब कैसा है? सेम है. वर्ड्स आर, many words are there, they are different types of word but the meanings are same. Now we will read one word and we will see the same meaning which are given in the petals of the flower. Now SMALL, small. What is mean by small? What are the different meanings of small? Small means tiny. Small means little. Small means bitty. Small means mini. And small means short. So what are the meanings? What are the synonyms of small? Synonyms means meaning. Same word. What are the synonyms of small? Tiny, little, bitty, mini, short. What are they? Once again we will read. Small, tiny, little, bitty, mini and short. Now let's move to the next flower. The flower is of cold. COLD, cold. Now what are the synonyms of cold? Chilly, icy, cool, frosty, arctic. What are the synonyms of COLD, cold? Chilly, icy, cool, frosty, arctic. Now the word cold is having many types of same meanings. The word cold is having this much 5 types of same meanings. They might be different words but their meaning are same. वो अलग words है but उनका meaning कैसा है? Same. Meaning कैसा है उनका? Same है. Fun, FUN, fun. Now what are the same words of fun? What are the same meanings of fun? Fun को हम अलग अलग words में क्या बोल सकते हैं? How can we describe fun? How can we call fun in different words? Fun is having 5 synonyms here. What are the synonyms? We will just read. Fun, pleasant, amusing, merry, enjoyable, lively. Fun, pleasant, amusing, merry, enjoyable, lively. So now fun is having 5 same meanings. The words are different but the meanings are same. Now next is pretty. Now pretty is having 6 different names. Pretty is having 6 different names but their meanings are same. What are the meanings of pretty? We will just read it out. PRETTY, pretty. Pretty means neat, fair, adorable, cute, lovely, beautiful. What are the examples of pretty? What are the synonyms of pretty? Neat, fair, adorable, cute, lovely, beautiful. Now I'll give you one easy example so that you can understand synonyms very easily. Now you all are having one particular name which you write in the school. अभी आपके पास नेम है आपका खुद का, जो आप स्कूल में सारे बुक्स पे, आप टीचर के अटेंडेंस बुक पे जो आपका नेम लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन घर पे आपको सब कोई अलग अलग नाम से बुलाते होंगे. एट होम योर मम्मी, योर फादर, योर आंटी, योर अंकल माइट कॉल यू बाय डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम्स. You all are having different names. So at home you might have different names. Okay, everyone is calling you by different names, but you are the same person, but you all are having different names. आप चेंज होते हो क्या आपके नेम के हिसाब से? अगर आपकी मम्मी आपको छोटू बुलाती है तो आप छोटू हो जाते हो क्या? नो, you are having different names, but you are one same person. So in the same way, synonyms means synonym is having one word, but that one word is having different meanings, but that all the meanings are same. synonyms में जो word होते हैं, जो word का हम meaning देखते हैं, suppose small. Now small is having 5 types of meanings. These words might be different, बट दे ऑल आर हैविंग सेम मीनिंग्स. ये वर्ड्स अलग अलग है बट इनका मीनिंग कैसा है? सेम है. सो सेम वे यू ऑल आर हैविंग ऑल्सो डिफरेंट नेम्स, बट यू ऑल आर वन ओनली. यू ऑल आर हैविंग 4 नेम्स और 5 नेम्स, बट यू आर सेम. आप जैसे हो वैसे ही हो. सेम वे synonyms is having one word and that one word is having many other meanings and that meanings are same. So you all understood what is synonym? Synonym means the words are having same meanings. 2 words that have the same meanings. So I hope you all have understood this topic. So try to understand the difference between synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means the 2 words are having same meanings and antonyms means they are opposite. दोनों कैसे words है? अलग अलग words है. antonyms में दोनों अलग words होते और synonyms में दोनों same words होते. In synonyms both the words are same and in antonyms the words are opposite, they are different. So we will meet in the next class with the new topic. Today we were just revising the topic for a exam. So I hope you will learn and do good in your exams. Thank you.